Hello beautiful people, welcome to Liberty's Kitchen. This is your food and nutrition chef, Mr. Archibald. Today we are making our own strawberry raspberry sauce for your pancake topping, for your ice cream topping, toppings on your desserts. We're making homemade, no additives, no preservatives, so you know each and every ingredient in it. So I've got about 8 fresh strawberries and about 10 raspberries. I'm going to blend them all together. I'm not adding water. I'm going to puree it. So I'm going to cook this till it reduces in quantity and thicken. Reduce the heat because it has to simmer under really low heat so we retain the flavor. So it's been on for about 10 minutes now. I'm going to add a bit of corn flour. You need to mix it well. So I'll mix it, then I'll add it. Then the sweetness. You sweeten it according to your taste. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of organic maple syrup. You can use caster sugar, but I prefer maple syrup or honey. I realize maple syrup makes it nicer. And I'm adding a bit of vanilla extract. You can add strawberry extract if you've got that. A tiny bit of lemon extract. And I've realized when you add almond extract to sauces, to your bakes, it increases the flavor, the intensity of whatever flavor you're working on. So I've added a bit of almond extract, and now I'm going to stir and leave it to cook for about 10 minutes and our sauce will be done. So it's been on for about 20 minutes now, and look at the consistency. You can add water if you think it's too thick. I love this consistency. But if you want it more red, what they do is they add food coloring. You can add beetroot or red food color. I just want to leave it in its natural state, so I'm not going to add color. But yeah, my strawberry sauce is done. I'm turning it off. Done. So normally people sift it, but I don't, because the seeds is packed with a lot of goodness. You know, I'm all about the health, so I don't sift it, but you can sift it if you want it smooth. But yeah, our sauce is done. People, look at the yummy goodness. This goes well with your pancake. You can put it on your cake, on your ice cream. I just want to demonstrate how well it goes with your pancake. I need to finish this before I conclude the video, you know. I can't stop it. I can't stop. People, I finished it. I've massacred it. I'm going to continue. Let me conclude quickly. So try it. Try it. And the thing about home cooking, why I keep on talking about home cooking, is, you know, every ingredient. I got organic berries, so the strawberries are organic, the raspberries are organic, it's organic maple syrup. You know, you're using quality ingredients. You're feeding your body with all this goodness. So people, like I always say, your health is your wealth. You are what you eat. So I come your way again next week. Take total control of your health. Ciao.